Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna unbox this ceiling fan, and it is 52 inches in size, and it has an LED here, and there are different variations of this light. Let me show you this side. You can get it in different colors, black, white, or brown, and then this one is black with RGB and it's 52 inches, and you can get it in white RGB, and I'll show you where the RGB light is from. And this is what it gives you information about its energy use. And on this video we're gonna unbox it. In another video I'm gonna install it, and perhaps on a third video I'm gonna show you how it works. Here is the owner's manual. This is to check if you have all the parts, and this is how you can assemble it. You can actually scan this QR code so you can control it with your phone. It also comes with the remote, which is useful. It also gives you important notes and also troubleshooting here. In here you'll have, I think this is the LED light, and it has a cover. So this cover, you can take it off. This is the shade, and then this is the LED light, which it has a magnet. Right here it has 3 magnets, so it stays into place. And this goes into here, and the RGB lights are right here. They're all around. So let's take this off. Then you have the blades in the middle, and here this is one color and the same color on both sides. Then you have this cover. Here's the motor. This is to hold the blades up into place. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've seen some comments where people say that these screws right here end up with no color. These so far look fine, and I like that they're matte black. So this is going to be facing down, this is going to face up, so you're not going to be able to see this part. This side you will see it, so I think they look fine. Just perhaps don't put them together because this is gonna peel right off. And lastly, you have the remote. Oh, this is the module that I was talking about. The module goes in there, and this is what makes it smart. And here are some gloves that you can use to put it together so you don't have all your fingerprints all over the place. So that's it for now. This is just the unboxing video. On another one I'm gonna show you how to install it, and on another one I'm gonna show you how it works. So far I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.